Students, good morning. Students who are in the online, am I audible, students? Right. So now we will start with how are you? How are you? So thinking, sir will not ask anytime how are you means why he is asking. How are you? Fine. So stand up. Hmm. You only. You only. You know, not you. You are good boy. But hairstyle is something different. Umbrella cutting that is. Okay, good. Next time change it. Okay. Be like a professional. Okay. Right. Next. Stand up. Already button, keep the button. Why I made you to stand up? You're watching here and there. What is going on? I'm watching from there. Need to read the notes. Tell me how many approaches are there to create an object of ND array? Instead of watching here and there, what is going on? You can read the notes now. A doubt is there? Huh? Come on, tell me how many approaches? 17. Okay. Actually, 35 are there. 40 is also there. Tell me some of them. You tell me. Where is your friend? Tell me. Huh? Landing. Randint. Okay. Huh? Randin. చెప్పానా ర్యాండన్ చెప్పాను చెప్పని ఎందుకు మనకు ఆల్రెడీ సో మెనీ థింగ్స్ ఐసైడ్ నార్మల్ చెప్పాను అది చెప్పంది ఎందుకు యూనిఫామ్ ఓకే ఒక్కడి కూడా గుర్తులేదు నీకు మన ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ సే హౌ మెనీ 17 నంబర్ 1 అరే ఆఫ్ రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ జీరోస్ ఆఫ్ వన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫుల్ ఆఫ్ లిన్ స్పేస్ ఆఫ్ ఐ ఐడెంటిటీ ఆఫ్ ఐ ఆఫ్ హెచ్ స్టాక్ ఆఫ్ వి స్టాక్ ఆఫ్ ర్యాండ్ ఆఫ్ ర్యాండ్ ఇంట్ ఆఫ్ యూనిఫామ్ సి ఎవరిబడి సెట్ నువ్వు తప్ప మిగతా వాళ్ళంతా చెప్పారు ఎందుకు చెప్పలేదు నువ్వు ఇట్లా 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 చూస్తాను ఇది కాదు నువ్వు చదువుకోవాలి ఓకేనా నౌ ఎవరిబడి నీడ్ టు రీడ్ ఇఫ్ యూ సీ వాట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ హియర్ అండ్ దేర్ మీన్స్ ఇఫ్ యూ పుట్ ద నోట్స్ ఇన్ సమ్ అదర్ బాస్కెట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ విల్ కమ్ నీడ్ టు రీడ్ ద నోట్స్ ఓకే బీ కేర్ఫుల్ సో now we'll move to the further. Previously, already we completed the concept of what? Come on. Which module is going on? Random module is going on. So, random module. Don't feel, okay? Feel అవుతున్నావా ఫీల్ అవ్వట్లేదా స్టాండప్ మళ్ళీ ఫీల్ అవుతున్నావా లేదా నిల్చో సిగ్గుపడకు అసలు ఫీల్ అవుతున్నావా అవుతున్నా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నావా లేదా ఆర్ యూ ఫీలింగ్ డోంట్ ఫీల్ ఆర్ యూ ఫీలింగ్ నో సారా ఆర్ యూ ఫీలింగ్ ఏం ఫీల్ అవ్వట్లేదా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాం ఏమని చదువుకోవాలని ఓకేనా టుమారో అన్వర్డ్స్ డోంట్ సీ హియర్ అండ్ దేర్ వాట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ see our own responsibilities. Once you come to the class, all of you open the notes, refer previous class, so that you will be getting up to date. Okay, now students, start now. I am going to already completed random module. Some of the things numpy dot random module. There I am going to write it. Already completed some of the things, which is one of the thing already completed. Rand int of already done. Second one is called what? Rand of already done. Third one is what? Uniform already completed. These things already completed. Today we are coming to what? Fourth one is called one rand n. Rand n. And the fifth one is also called what? Normal of. I want to talk about it. And then next I will go to the other kind of things. What are the other kind of things? Come on. Choice off. Next I'll go for what? Shuffle off. Shuffle off. Shuffle off, I will take it. And I will take one more example. Permutation of also I will explain. Permutation of also I will explain. Okay. Now, first, let me talk about the random. And these are called, which one is going to deal with these two things? 1 minute, ma. Because these are the very regularly asking question students. Rand and uniform deals with which kind of distribution? Uniform distribution. Uniform distribution values are those which are very closely with a difference of what? Decimals of fraction of values. Uniform distribution this is. And I said some of the cases, some examples I said. Those are written in examination where all of them are closely having the difference of what? Some fractional of values or difference is there. This is known as which distribution? Uniform distribution. Are you following me? So a top batch people writing the examination, their score is always uniform distribution only. Right or not? A more number of people are writing academic exams. Their variation will be something like there is a large variation will be there among the people. That is known as what? Normal. There is a huge difference is there between the people samples. It is called normal distribution. There is a close relation between the values is called uniform. Now coming to the random and then normal. Both of them are dealing with normal distribution. Normal distribution. Normal distribution. This is also known as yesterday's class. Yesterday's class. Some distribution name is also there. Gaussian distribution also it is known as. Okay, na? Because he is a scientist, he developed this. And it is very easy also. What is this random? First, I will go to random and then normal. What is the difference between this also will be coming? What is the difference between rand and uniform? What is the difference between rand and uniform? Rand will generate the values between 0.0 to 1.0. Inclusive or exclusive? Good. Good. So that I can go for single value rand, multiple samples. You can go for 2 by 2 samples. You can go for 3D. ND also you can go for it. You have seen already, right? Well, they have used what? Loops also. Single value, any of float type. Multiple values are coming which type? ND array type. ND array type, how to print 1D, single for loop. 2D, two for loops. 3D, three for loops, you know how to use it, right? Now, students, coming to random and then what? Normal of. Now, how rand was working in the same way random also will work. So the random syntax I will write it here. Syntax number one I will write it. Actually, syntax I will write in a normal standard. NUMPY dot rand n of d0 d0 d1 d2 so on comma dn will be coming. Dn. Yesterday's class, some help also I was open it. So this is the number, this is the function will generate single random value. This will generate both positive values as well as what? Negative values. Both the positive values as well as negative values also will be coming. Even normal also, both negative values and then positive values. Before going to enter into the further, let me give a small idea about what normal distribution. That is normal or original knowledge about normal distribution. Normal distribution values are those which are occurring more likely to close to the mean of that values. More likely to the mean of that values. Example, if you take the average temperature of India, just imagine once, you will take the temperature of all the 365 days. All the 365 days. How do you come to the average value? Average total number of temperatures sum by what? 365. So you'll get one value or not? That value is going to be called what? Mean. Mean is nothing but average. Are you following me? Mean is nothing but what? Average. So for average, Suppose there is a temperature called what? 11, 10, 5, 4, 40, 44. Something will be coming in in winter. Some temperature is low. In normal seasons, temperature is normal. In hot summer, temperature is very high. So if I calculate the mean, what will happen? What will happen? These are all different type of temperatures will be there. If I put the scale like that, the temperatures will be what? Low temperatures are there, high temperatures are there. But what will be taken? One center point will be there. That center point is called what? Come on, ma. Mean. So mean is average, on and average I am taking. Something like 30 I am taking. 30 lesser values will be there or not? 30 more values are also there or not? What is this is known as called mean. Mean left side values are there and mean right side values are also there. Mean right side values and left side values, if you see the diagrammatic representation like that, it is known as what? Normal distribution values. Are you following me? So this parameter is known as what? This is called a mean. These values are closely referring to what? Mean value. This is known as normal distribution value. Wherever you are coming across normal distribution, they will ask you the compulsory question, what is a normal distribution? Normal distribution values are those in which positive values are there, negative values are there, many number of values are there. And what will be considered? Mean of the values will be considered. It is a center point. Center point left side some values are there. Center point right side values are there. That mean will be taken as a common value for all the things. In an academics, university contains so many colleges, written the academic examination. They will take out the percentage of the people who passed or not. What that percentage is called? Nor that is called mean of the percentage of all the students. Some failures will be there. Some top scorers are there and all the common value will be taken. That is called what? Average percentage ratio they will take. In one college 99% passed, in one college 20% only passed, in another college 60% passed, in another college 50% passed, 80%, 30%. All these things mean is what? 60% result is coming. 60% left side will be there, 60% right side also will be there. That 60% is called what? Mean percentage. Are you able to get it? What is the distribution is called? Normal distribution. There is a closely 99.99, 99.92, 99.909 like that. All pass percentages like that. That is known as what? Uniform distribution we can call. Are you able to understand this now? Come on. Next I want to take it as in the classroom. Average weight of all the students. Average weight of all the students. Some people are having 90 kgs. Some people are having 40 kgs. Some difference will be there in the weights. What is an average weight of an Indian? I will go for which calculation? Normal distribution, I will take it. Some people will be 150 kgs, 40 kgs like that. I will record all the samples. I will take it as what? Average weight, I will take it. That is called what? Mean. Are you able to follow now? That is now as mean. That mean is going to be the peak point over there. That will be considered as a common value for all the people. And one more thing is, take the heartbeat of all the Indians and coming to the conclusion and what is the average heartbeat of all the Indians. How WHO organization will decide this is a standard heartbeat by taking the average beat of unhealthy people, healthy people, all the people, we will come to know this is an average heartbeat. That's why the readings also will be taken. That curve will be showing like this. The lesser the heartbeat and more are the heartbeat, and average will be something like this. They will say. Are you following me? All the healthy people heartbeat is very close to the readings. Very close to that. That is known as which distribution? Uniform distribution. Are you following, students? So these are very, very important. What is the normal distribution? A normal distribution is one in which the values are likely more close to the mean. Likely close to the mean. The difference of that values which are there in the left side and right side are going to have standard deviation. Some difference of values will be there. What is the standard deviation? I will explain in the coming days. Standard deviation formula is there. Each value in the normal distribution minus mean whole square by what? Total number of samples. That is sigma. Of course, I don't want to disturb you with this subject. I is equal to 1 to n xi minus m. M is nothing but what? Mean, which is called in statistics mu. In statistics mu, if you know the subject, by what? N you will take it. N. What is this xi? Each sample of my distribution minus mean by what? N. That is known as what? Standard deviation. What is the standard deviation? The difference between two intervals which are going to be happening in my samples. This I will explain in my class separately. There is a concept called what? Statistical operations in the NumPy programming. And I will show you the visualization part of this kind of thing. Uniform distribution and what? Normal distribution kind of matplotlib also I will show you. Following students? So just a small diagram I will show you. So here I'm going to write it normal distribution diagram. Normal distribution diagram. So I'm writing here normal distribution diagram. Just one diagram I want to show you. Just to see the diagram, mom. Just take any diagram here. Take any diagram. Just one diagram I am just trying to show you. What is this meaning you see? What is this value? What is this point is? Come on. Mean, what is this now left of this and then what? And the left side, if you observe, there are some negative values are there. And here, what are available? Some positive values are there. The center part is called what? Mean. Left side, some values are there. Right side, some values are available. Are you following me? This is which distribution? Good. So by seeing the sample data, you can easily say that whether it is a normal distribution or uniform distribution. My dear students, go to one more diagram I want to show you more. Uniform distribution diagram. Uniform. Even I also will draw the diagram for you students. Uniform distribution. Are you seeing this uniform distribution now? See this diagram. What is this now? Uniform. All the values are very close. 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 Here the values are what? Normal distribution. So I hope you people are following what I'm trying to tell you. So these are the uniform distribution diagrams. See that uniform distribution diagrams. All values are uniform. All values are uniform. Uniform values, these are all called. Are you following me? So try to have in data science also, you'll come across the same mechanism once again. Now, I'll go for what? Random. So random and normal deals with which distribution? Now I'm going to take this example. Online students, did you understand what I'm trying to tell? Go to the Jupyter notebook. Go to the Jupyter notebook. There I'm trying to tell. Respond. Everybody need to interact with me. Try to respond. So here, go to the place. New notebook. I'm going to take it. Before that, I would like to go for one more kind of small awareness for you. Go to the help once. Go to the help. Run as administrator. I already said to you how to go to that. Import. Tell me. NumPy as NP. Tell me. Help of NP dot random dot rand n. Rand n. So are you getting me? Come on. Rand of what? Star arcs. It will take one value, second value, third value, fourth value, n number of things. Returns a sample. That is nothing but samples. One value it returns, samples also returns from what? Standard normal distribution. So this I'm going to take up. This is giving some parameters here. What are the optional parameters and all those things? D0, D1 is what type? Int type. And the dimension of the returned array must be what? Non-negative. So the value which you are passing should be what? Positive value. No negative value to be taken. If no argument is given, a single Python float value will be returned. Maybe positive value or negative value. Because already said to you. Just now I said to you, this is a diagram and this is going to be like this. And this is going to be a positive value. For example, 0 is a positive value. And this is called a -2. This is called a -1. This is called 1. This is called 2. Are you following me? So what is this now? Two people got this value. Two people got this marks. What is the average value? Some people got negative marks and other people got positive marks. What is on average? Zero people only. There is nothing but zero is the mean. Zero left side, zero right side. So random and normal are going to be having difference. And how it is different from rand and uniform? Rand and uniform contains what values? Come on, positive values. And random and rand n will contain what? Normal will contain what? Both negative values as well as positive values. In India, some places negative temperature will be there, some places positive temperature will be there. If I draw the diagram, it will form which type of distribution? Normal distribution. So coming to the point back, now I'm going to give you, see this now, coming to this place. Here I'm going to take it, an example. NP dot random of random, which is going to give you some value called random value, which is going to come. Two-dimensional array, if you want to pass it, here np dot random of 2 comma 4. But is 2 comma 4 means what, ma? Two rows and then what? Four columns. See that some of them are positive, some of them are what? Negative. These are the, by default, these are the values coming from the NumPy environment. Getting my point? Right. Come on, students. Now I'm entering into this Jupyter notebook. Here I'm trying to take it. So I'm going to take up import. And moreover, as I said to you yesterday's class about the rand function here, same type of scenario, I want to give you rand and here. Come on, all of you, read out, then I'll go to the further. Come on, ma. This function is used for generating random floating point values, random floating point values for normal standard distribution. Syntax, numpy dot random dot random, generating any random floating point value, either it can be positive or negative. Here it is only the value between 0.0 to 1.0. Okay now, right? Coming to this, uniform distribution never contains negative values because they are very close to each other. But random will contain positive values, negative values. That's why mean point will be taken up. Come on. A poverty or below poverty line in India, above poverty line in India, average mean of the income will be taken or not? What is the distribution called? Normal distribution. Are you following me? One person is having crores of rupees, political people, and normal people will have thousands, and other people will have some hundreds, some more people will have some paisas. If I take the average income group, some mean value will come or not? There is a mean left side below poverty, mean above is called above poverty line. That is for economy purpose, for analysis purpose, they will apply this type of distribution mechanisms. Okay, now? Right. We can take care of the random. Next is called what? NumPy dot random of value, generating number of random floating point values. How many values times? If I say the value called 4, 4 randomized values will come. Positive values as well as negative values will come. For normal standard distribution, either positive or negative. Random of rows comma columns, generating random number of floating point values, rows and columns for normal standard distribution 2D. Rows number of matrices comma rows comma columns is called what? Same 3D. Are you following? 3D. So for standard distribution of 3D, here I will write it of like this. Okay, it is already there. For this values, number of matrices for normal distribution with what values? With 3D. Normal standard distribution, both for standard distribution, either positive or negative with which values? Which values, students? 3D. So here, I hope with the 3D, that is called ND, you can take it. ND. So let me go to the example. So first syntax I will take that. First syntax I will take that. In this place, I'm writing it. Immediately example I will take it. Start from NumPy. From NumPy. Speak out all of you. Import what? Random as R. As R. Come on. Random value is equal to R dot random. Now print of what? RV. Comma type of what? RV. The type of RV? Float. Very good. Float. A single value will be coming. Maybe positive value will come, maybe negative value will come. Please take care, students, all of you. So this part I am taking it. Again, I will try to run it. Again, I will try to run it. Negative value will be coming. Again, you try to run it. Again, some value will be coming. Don't think that all the values are coming like that. Positive value also will be coming. Are you following me? Yes. Here, two, three times negative value coming. One time it is positive value is coming. You go on doing it till the mixed values will come. You can imagine zero right side, zero left side. Zero will, if you consider the mean. I got you. I hope you understood. Well, online students, I hope you are following. Second syntax, I want to go for it. Second syntax. It is very clear, crystal clear syntaxes I am giving to you. So this I am going to give you. Go to the place. Here I am going to give you. So in this place, if you want any explanation related thing, anyhow I am giving it. So still I want to go for this points to be written here. So here I'll try to write it. So here I will write it. Now coming to the example. Come on, fast. What is this now? Take the same thing. RV is equal to what? I'm saying 4. I'm saying 4. What is the type of RV? ND array. ND array. Good. So I'm going to write it. RV. It is an ND array only. How many values? Some of them are positive, some of them are negative. Even they are negative also, not an issue. So I will take it as the next step. Next time you run it, it is going to be some of them are positive, some of them are negative. Randomized values are coming. Are you following me? These are all called what? Python based environment it is going to give you. So now there I will take it. Here I am writing that I need not to write it, that you are already familiar with. Dim of RV random values is equal to what? RV dot endim. Next I am writing here shape of RV and RV dot what? Shape. Next I am going to write it size of RV, and the D type of RV is always called what? Data type of RV. What is the value of RV? One float type will be there. So I need not to write it. So D type of RV, D type, data type of RV, values of data type. So I will write it. What is this? D type. Okay. So see students, you are getting some of the values like this. If you put a diagram across here, what is happening? Some values will be positive side. Here, if you take some value, positive side some value, negative side some value will be there or not. If you add all of them and if you take average value, mean point will come, left side something will come, right side something will come. That mean point is the average value, which is supposed to be taken as a common value for the entire sample kind of value. So dimension is this, like this. Now I'll go to the another one. Number of samples in the matrix format. Number of matrix format I want. So how many I want? 3 comma 3, 3 comma 3, 3 rows and then 3 columns. 3 rows and 3 columns. Some of them are positive, some of them are negative. Some of them are positive, some of them are negative. Dimension is 2. Shape is like this. Number of values like this. Do you know how to print these values also? With a no, what do you call rounding of the decimal places? We will use what? For loops. For loop in for loop we will use it. Already you know now? Can you tell me? Come on. Come on. For come on. Rn in where range of come on students. Len of what? Len of what? Rv. Len of Rv. Which will give you Rn value students. That is the row values are coming. You already know. Next I want to go for what? For how many columns are there? Cn in range of Len of Cv of Rv of 0. Rv of what? 0. Rv of 0. I am writing there Rn comma Cn. Rn comma Cn. 0th row 0 0 0 1 0 2. That is cut for 0th row 0 1 2 columns. For first row 0th column, first column, second column. For second row 0th column, first column, second column. If I print the value now, I say that what? Come on. Round off. Round off what? Come on. RV of. Like this I am writing it. Comma, what I am saying, ma? 2. I will write it as a 2. I will write it as a 2. So you are going to get the values. And I will write it end is equal to some spacing I am giving students. Some spacing I will give you. Here I am writing, I think some extra bracket. Print off I am writing it. So if you look at, am I getting the data or not? So whatever the data is available, I'm getting in two decimal places here. Left side some values, right side some values of the mean. And you can easily understand that a large variation is there. And in the further, for this type of samples, we will calculate the mean, we'll calculate the standard deviation, we'll calculate the variance. And still, if you have the more knowledge about mutual funds and the stock investments, what is calculated? Mean points, standard deviation, variance, how a fund manager can decide that it is going to have a growth or it is going to have some type of fall down, that is going to be done based on this type of statistical operations only. We'll show you the type of calculation when I come to the statistical operation. Once again, I will revisit with this concept. Okay, now, right. Let me go to the next online students. I hope you are clear about it. Similarly, I want to go for like this. So I'm going to have like this. What is my point here? 3 comma 3 comma 3. 3 comma 3 comma 3. What is the meaning of that? 3 matrices, 3 rows, and then like this. So you can take 4 also, 5 also, 6 also. So you can take even 2 also, not a problem. And it is going to contain 3 matrices, 3 rows, 3 columns. So zeroth matrix, already you know, I need not to tell you. These are called a matrix number. Zeroth row, first row, second row. Zeroth column, first column, second column. Zeroth row, first row, second row. Like this, you are trying to understand. How to print these values? Come on, quick. Come on, fast. For matrix number in where range of LN of RV. RV. Okay, last class already completed. Come on. Row number in where range of, come on, LN of, LN of, come on, mom. RV of 0. RV of 0. RV of 0. Come on, next. For, come on, CN, CN, in range of LN of RV of RV of 0. RV of 0. Are you following me? Print of what you know? Matrix number. And then matrix number, comma, RN, comma, RN, comma, CN. So this part, if you look at for the zeroth matrix, చూసుకోండి. For the zeroth matrix, this is a zeroth matrix. For the first row, for the first row, or the zeroth matrix columns. For the first matrix columns. For the second matrix columns. Are you following? Similarly, for the next one also one related series. This is a one related series. 0, 0, first matrix related, second matrix related, third matrix related of first matrix. Similarly, in the same manner for third also we are getting the same thing. So to avoid to print that, now I'm going to apply round off this RV of, I'm writing it RV of, comma what? 2, comma end is equal to some backslash t, some backslash t. So there I'm printing it, print off, like this I'm trying to say. There I'm trying to write a print off, I'm trying to say. Now try to, so here bracket for what? Round, bracket for round. So here, go to that. This is for first matrix. This is for second matrix. This is for third matrix. Are you following me? This is a most important, students. This is called iterative mechanism in the ND array. So, Ramadevi, these examples did not get in notes, sir. Yesterday notes is there, na? It is there in HTML. In these notes, I am not writing. In this place, I'm not writing. In the practical document, when I'm sending, you will get it, mom. You will get it, mom. So you will get it. Open it, you will get it. So now I will move to the further. This is related to which values? Random. Of what dimension? 3D, 3D, 2D, 1D, and a single value also. So this is called what? By default, you are getting from the Python environment, some random values are coming. Now I want to go for, now you are going for one more type of function is there. What is the next function? What is the next function? Normal function you are taking. Normal function. Come on, take that normal function. Random dot. Here it is having normal. So normal. What is the syntax of the normal? This is asking. This is asking. They are only asking. You only specify. You only specify the mean. They are asking. You only specify the mean. That will be given in the form of what? LOC. LOC. That is that parameter represents mean, and it is also taking the value called scale. Scale. Okay, like elementary school you are doing. Faster, run faster. Now, okay. Now don't look at. He is asking something. I said okay, like elementary school. I said, and you are looking. Who is that guy? Elementary school. So that's why I don't want this distraction. So normal of LOC comma scale you are writing. What is this LOC called? Mean. And the scale, this is called the standard deviation. What is the standard deviation? The left side of the mean having some samples or not. X, X plus 1, and this is something like X. This is called something like X. This is called X minus 2. This is called X minus 1. This is called X plus 1. This is called X plus 2. X plus 2. What is the difference between these samples? That is going to be called as scale. That is called a standard distribution. That is also known as probability density function. The standard deviation you don't know. That's why you are having some small confusion. Actually, standard deviation you completed in 10th class only. Completed, completed or not? ఏమో మధు కామ్గా ఉంటే నాకు చాలా కోపం ఎక్కువ. You completed or not? But remembering, that's why I will explain once again. I know you completed everything, memo got it, forget immediately. Because of that, no use. I'll tell you once again what is the standard deviation. Okay now? So I will explain with the formulas. I will explain. What are all the samples are there? First you take it. You do the sum of all of them divided by total number of numbers. What will come? Mean will come. Mean will come. Correct? I will take one example. మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. So I'll take the values as 2, 4, 3, 1. What these are? Samples. These are called samples. Come on, all of you participate. Can example is I'm taking small example. Numbers small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mean. Come on, please tell me mean is equal to what? 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1 by what? 4. What is the answer? Come on. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 10 by 4, which is called what? 2.5. 2.5 or 2.25? 2.5. Right, good. 2.5. Okay. 2.5 into 4 is called 10. Okay, na? Right. Now I'm going to calculate the standard deviation. Standard deviation means the difference between all these samples is a uniform distribution I'm taking. Uniform deviation. So I'm going to take it as what? You sit down here because those people will have problem. You sit here. You want fan? You want fan? So you come here. Instead of operating there, disturbing my total. Ayyo. Don't want? Switch off. You come here. You come here. See how much disturbance you are doing, like a small kids you are doing. Sit down there. Something you are eating? Chewing gum. Stand up. No, don't tell lies. No problem. Eating is okay. Good. Eating, na? Something you are eating. Correct? No problem. Not eating? Sit down. So don't do promise for everything. Come. What is the standard deviation? 2.5. So you will disturb me. I will overreact on it. So come to the point because your target is how to disturb KVR, sir. 2.5. Now I want to calculate the SD. SD. What is the meaning of SD? Suppose I want to buy a TV. For example, I want to buy a TV. What I will do? I will visit 10 shops. I will note down the prices. I will come to home. What is the deviation of all these shops? I will calculate the mean. I'll calculate the mean and I will do what? Apply this formula what I'm doing. Then wherever there is a little deviation is there, I'll buy from that with some offers and all those things. That's called statistical operation you are applying. Correct or not? I want to buy the mobile. I will inquire about my product in 10 shops. I'll take the average value. I'll calculate the deviation. Wherever there is a less deviation, I will look for the branding. I look for the credibility of that. And I will see all the factors wherever I satisfy, I will go to that place. But statistics is more useful in the real life case studies also. Come. Now I'm going to take it. Mean is equal to 2.5. And what is the formula? xi minus mean whole square by what? N. This is repeated for all samples. Xi means what? X1, X2, X3, X4. Xi means all the sample values. Tell me now 2 minus 2.5 whole square. 2 minus 2.5 whole square plus sigma na sigma is nothing but what? Summation. You know that, I think so. You know na? Sigma means summation. Pi means what? Product. You know that, right? Next is called what? What is the next? 4 minus 2.5 whole square. Next is called what? 3 minus 2.5 whole square plus what? 1 minus 2.5 whole square by what? 4 whole by 4. What is an answer now? 2 minus what? 2.5 whole square means what? 0.5 whole square minus 0.5 whole square minus 0.5 into minus 0.5 minus plus 0.25. Mathematics వచ్చు కదా? వచ్చు కదా? Alright. So 4 minus 2.5. 1.5 whole square is called what? 2.25. 2.25. 15 square is 225. 1.5 into 1.5 is 2.25 plus next 3 minus 2.5. 0.5 whole square, that is 0.25. 0.25 plus what is the next? 1 minus 2.5 minus 1.5 whole square. Minus 1.5 into minus 1.5 is 2.25. 2.25 whole by what? 4. What is an answer now? 2.25, 2.25, 4.50. 4.50 plus 0.25, 0.25, which is called what? 4.50 plus 0.50, 5 by 4. 5 by 4, which is called what? 1.25. 1.25. What is 1.25? Standard deviation. So the difference in that samples is called what? 1.25 deviation is there. Are you following me? The deviation among the samples is 1.25. The deviation can be expressed in the form of standard deviation, or you can explain the deviation in the form of variance also you can express. What is variance? Square root of standard deviation is known as variance. Variance means a difference. Are you okay, students? So 2 and 4, 3, 1. So what is that deviation among that? 1.25 deviation is there of the original cost. Are you following? What is the mean here? What is the mean here? That is the value. What is the deviation with all the values? 1.25 is the deviation. So when I'm taking the diagram here, what is the mean point here? What is the mean point here? 2.5. And lesser values with the deviation is like this. And more values are like this. What are the lesser values here? What is this now? 2.25. What is the value here? Tell me. 3. And then what? 4. And what is this now? 1 and 2. Are you following me? This is the diagram of normal distribution. అర్థమైందా బాబు? రాంబాబు, are you okay? Clear? This is called, I will explain through diagram with matplotlib also. When you go to an interview, when you take these samples and if you draw the diagram like this, people will really appreciate you. Are you following me? So if I go to a school, if I want to develop the project for that data visualization project, I'll take the marks of everybody. I will take the average marks. And less than this average, how many people are there? Above average, how many people are there? I will show the visualization to the head of the management. Like that, my tool to be developed. Understand this? So when you go to an interview point of view, what they will ask you, they will give some samples, write the normal distribution diagram, write a Python code for generating the normal distribution, and show me the visualization. And people will feel it is very complicated. Nothing complicated, easier. See that. What is this 2.5 is called? LOC. LOC is nothing but what? Center point. That is the mean point. What is the scale is called? Standard distribution function. Are you following me? Come on, ma. Right. Now I'm going to enter. Online students, I hope you are following me. This calculation is very, very important. So, uh, so now, okay, good. One student, you explain it very well in my college. You explain very well in my college. I am unable to understand. Now I understood because everything mixing together. You explain very well in my college. I am unable to understand. That means I went to his college. I explained. Not under. Now I understood. That indicates. I understand, ma. Don't worry about it. Kuchi. Yes, ma. Kuchi Jain. Yeah, she's a girl. Now this is full stop. I explain very well, full stop. In my college, I'm unable to understand. Full stop. Now I understood. The full stop's important. Like a cricketer English, if you speak, I am unable to understand. Because yesterday one student called me in the afternoon time from Gujarat, Ahmedabad. Even morning 7 o'clock, I said. He said, "Sir, I want to create a full stack Python. Actually, I want to learn full stack Python." He's asking, my student has given the number to that student for full stack Python. He want to join the course. He called me. What question he asked? Sir, I want to create full stack Python. He want to create. I said, create. What can I do for that? I said, create. He's asking, when it is starting, sir? What is that when it is starting? So that English is very danger. So even the morning 7 o'clock people, I said, that number and everything I said. So from Ahmedabad, it came at Ahmedabad local, Gujarat, 7981600882. You want to create full stack Python. After 10 minutes, he called, no, sir, I want to learn full stack Python. He called his friend, asked, I said like that, sir said, okay, create full stack Python. I said. So creating full stack Python and learning full stack Python, a lot of difference is there or not? So that's why students. So Kushi, don't feel mom. So because I will comment to my students' talent, it's my skill. Because if I comment on your English, you will immediately rectify. Because you will feel, okay, I have to speak correctly only. I should not speak wrong like. Okay now? Right. Okay, ma. Kushi. It's positive student, positive thinking. Come on, ma. All of you. Understand. Now I calculated or not? Calculated values or not? Come on, please read out. Normal of, come on, LOC, scale, size, method, returning, what? Come on, normal of LOC, scale, size. Draw random samples from a normal distribution known as what? Gaussian distribution. These are all called, don't worry. Just now I said normal distribution, probability, density function, everything. It is going to be called bell curve. You know bell curve, na? Bell curve. So normal distribution offers occurs in nature. For example, a distribution commonly occurring distribution of sample influenced by large number of teeny random distributions with each of its own unique distribution. Something they are saying, never bother about it. And coming to the point back, here you try to understand. Start. LOC, what type? Float type. What is the, what I said? Array like float. Mean. Center of the distribution. What is our center of the distribution? Our calculation. 2.5. For example, center, scale. What is that? Float. What is that? Standard deviation. Spread or what? Path. Spread means what? 1.25 is a spread among all my samples. Yes or no? X minus 2, x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 2. What is the mean point? X left side curve down, x plus positive. That is called bell curve or not? Yes. So size represents int or tuple. Only int if I say some what number of samples will come with that scale, with that LOC, with that scale. That is called standard deviation. Now I want to go for further want to enter. Int represents what? Number of samples. That samples will be coming from our Python environment. Depends on the values you are passing it. So coming to back here, I will come to the example. Here I will come to the example here. Try to follow me. Mu. Mu is nothing but what mean. Sigma. Here I am saying 0, comma 0.1. What is this? Mean and what? Standard deviation. Come on. NP dot random of this one. Mu. That is called a 0. And what is the sigma? 0.1. What is the int value? 1000. That is going to be called what? What does this mean? Verify the mean and then standard deviation. Absolute. Mu minus NP dot mean of this 0.0. It may vary from one system to another. May vary the values from one samples to another samples. I took it as what? 2, 3, 4, 1. You may take it as decimal values also. You may take it. Next, sigma of standard deviation. Some formula they are applying it. And coming to this example here, some type of example they are taking. Start ma. What is this? 3. What is 3? Come on. What is the 3 here? What is the 3 here? LOC. What is the 3 here? LOC. Syntax. LOC. And what is the default value of LOC? What is the scale? Scale is nothing but what? Standard deviation. LOC is nothing but what? Center point. So here I said this. They are giving this as a value and 2.5. Size is 2, comma 4. And if you calculate exactly by what I calculated, you'll get exact value what you are getting it. Are you following me? Again, this will be discussing in the graphs. I will go for it. Matplotlib. To our environment, I think I am not giving you any difficulty in explanation. Are you following me? Come to the normal. So what is the normal here? I am taking systematically. Here I am going to enter. Here also I am going to take it. Here I will take it. Syntax number 1. Dot what here? Normal. Normal. Come on now. I'll say from NUMPY dot random from NUMPY import random as rv is equal to what is this now? R dot normal of print of what? RV comma what? Type of RV. What it is taking in this case? Not at all passing any value. When you are not at all passing any value, what is the values are taken, ma'am? What the values are taken here? Location is called 0.0 LOC and scale is called 1.0. One random value will be coming. One random value will be coming. That's why function inside the parameters is very important. That's why in functions topic, arguments are very, very important. So print this data, one value will be coming. With the values called what? 0.0 and 1.0, one random value. Because of single value, there is no meaning. Just I am telling all the syntaxes. Are you following me? Next I am going to take up this and again I am going to get like this. Now go to the next. What is the next one? I will carry this now. I'll carry the same thing. Second syntax I will take it. What is the second syntax I am taking? Syntax number 2 I am taking. What is the syntax number 2? Directly I will take it as what? Come on, LOC comma what? Scale. Scale I am taking. Okay. Come on now. I will paste it over here. Come on in this place. I'm passing here. Value I am passing as what? 2 I am passing. What is the meaning of 2? What is the meaning of 2? Scale. With that, look, LOC, sorry, LOC. What is the scale value taken? What is the default value of LOC already there? What is the scale value? 1.0. And see this value now. It is going to be coming like this. So it is going to be coming like this. Execute this now. You will be getting something like this. Execute this value now like this. Now I will go to scale value also I will pass it. Here I am going to write it, comma, 4 I am going to pass it. 2 to 4. What is the 2 to 4? What is the meaning of 2? Center point is 2. Deviation is how much? 4. With that values only values will be coming. Are you following, students? Now you pass this value again with the scale value I am passing it. You see these values. You see these values. You go on passing it. Some samples will be coming. These samples, if I calculate it, exactly it will satisfy our mu value as well as what? Standard deviation value. Now I will go to size, I will take it. Size. Now I will take it size. This value I will take it. Syntax number 3, I will take it. What is the syntax number 3? For your understanding purpose, I am writing all this stuff. 3, comma what ma? Size is equal to, earlier it was what? None is there, none. Now I am going to write my own value or not? Come on. Now I am going to carry this value. What is the size I am taking, students? Here I will take it as 3. And I am writing here as called what, size is equal to what? 4. How many values will be coming? 4 values. Which type of values are coming? End array. End array. Okay. End array. What is the dimension? Come on. 1. So standard deviation is 3. And center point is what? LOC. And you go for one more kind of thing. One more kind of thing. They are getting some more random values are coming. Here I am going to get it. Here I am going to get it. Some more random values will be coming. Some of them are positive, some of them are negative. You roughly apply your idea, automatically you will be getting this yellow scale will be satisfied. Getting me? What is the dim here? What is the dim? 1 now. What is the dim? 1. So don't be passive. Dim is what? 1. Go to next. Go to next. Size is called what I am writing? 3 comma 3. 3 comma 3. Come on, fast. What is the dim? Already you know. I need not write. Already you are aware of it. Come on, what is the value now? Got it like this. You know how to print the values also. If I see this entire sample, so what is the standard deviation? 3. What is the center point? So 2 center point, left side some values and right side some values are there. And go to the next. Another type of values will be coming. Roughly, if you see, their deviation will be almost equal to what? 3. And samples left side 2, right side 2 will be there. Next, I will go to what? 2 comma 3 comma 3. 2 comma 3 comma 3. What is this? 2 matrices. 2 matrices with a 3 by 3. Almost all of them are having deviation 3 with a what? With a 3. And then 2 is a left side. And the deviation is going to be 3. These matrices are going to have the same thing. 3D. Are you following me? So this is comes under which concept? Normal of. What is the difference between random and normal of? Both of them are deals with normal distribution only. But random does not have standard scale, standard center point. It will give you simply random values of positive and negative. But normal will give you the given scale I can give. That is called standard deviation. LOC I can give, middle point mean value I can give it. But based on that, my random values will be coming left side as well as right side. I hope you are following me. So this is about the function called what? Normal. So that normal also Normal is not there with me. Normal I will write it and I will send it to you. Normal I will send it to you. Nothing to worry about it. But normal function also I'll send it to you. Next, I will come to my next discussion. Clear? Right, students. Now come out of that. Now I'm entering into the further here. Now I'm entering into the further. You go to this place. So normal also you understood. Normal distribution is completed. Online students, this will be revisited once again in matplotlib. Matplotlib I will revisit because I need to write the graph also now. Graph also I will write it. That time again I can get it once again. Online students, respond it quickly. Is it clear for all of you? Quick. Now I'm entering into the choice. Choice I will go for it. What is the meaning of choice? Selecting one from multiple. Multiple choice. Four are there. Selecting one from four. That is called what? Choice. That is also random now. Now I have 20 samples. Now I have 20 samples. From 20 samples, I want to pick it one random value. That is known as what? Choice function will do. What is the use of choice function? It selects one random value from available samples. From available samples. Come on, go to the choice function. Very easy. There I'm going to write it choice. I'll go to the example. There is no confusion about it. Now I'm going to give you random and normal examples. Examples. So done. Next example is choice related thing. I'm going to take it. Now I'm going to take it. Choice and what shuffle I will take it. Of course, I can rechange it all later also. Shuffle. Shuffle of examples. Okay. Now I'm going to take it. Examples here. So anyhow you come, I will post the syntax over there. Examples I'm going to start. Students, I'm having an ND array object here. A is equal to np dot of course import numpy as np import numpy dot numpy dot random as or np dot array of I'm taking some list of values students 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 like this I'm going to take it. Now converted into what? A comma type of a type of a. So I'm getting some values like this. Now I want to select one random value from this. One random value I want to select from this. What he will do? So randint is different, randoff is different, uniform is different, random is different, normal is different. Now I want to pick one value from that. How do you pick one value from that? We are supposed to apply the function called choice. So how do I apply? Choice value is equal to, come on, or dot, that is the numpy dot random dot choice. Come on, choice of, what is that? A. I'm passing. What is a? ND array object. ND array object. Now it is going to pick up the value. CV and then type of what? Choice value. So you are going to get one value, which you did not expect it. One of the value will pick it up. One of the value which will be picking up. So I'm going to take it. This is the one. I got it. Are you following, students? Now I got it. Got it. Is it random values or not? Yes. Are you okay? Now I want to go for getting into even string values also I want to get it. String values. How do you get the string values here? A is equal to np dot array of list of Python. List of Python. What the list of Python will do? Python. Single quotes will come or not? Go to Python environment once you go. List of Python. Tester. Python. Is it coming like this or not? Python. Separate letters. List of Mississippi. Mississippi. Very regularly asking question. So I'm going to get like this. From that, I want to get some sample letter. Some sample letter I want to get it. Come on. Now I will go to this part I am writing it. Now I will write it CV off. Now I'm going to get the data. So from that I'm going to get any one of the letter is coming or not. So again I will get it. Again I will get it in this place. One of the letter is going to come. So next one more value is going to come. One more value is going to come. Are you okay? Now you can take a combination of letters also, numbers also, special symbols also, like this. Directly I am writing. If you follow me, take care, students. Now I'm going to take it. Here I will write it. NP dot array of. NP dot array of. What I'm writing now, students, inside of that, I'm going to write it. Here I'm going to write it. List of, list of what I'm writing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. Like this, I took it. What is this is called? Alphabets plus alphanumerics. Alphanumerics. If you want smaller also, you can write smaller value also, not an issue. So students, follow me. A, B, C, D here. If you want any smaller value, I will take it. I will take lower of. I will take these values over there. I will put it over here. Here I will write it. Lower values also put it. I converted typing everything is waste of my time. I will do that. So done. Now choice of it. What will be coming there? Close it. How many opening brackets here? 3. Here only 2. So do what here? So this one letter is coming. Again you do that. Again you do that. What is coming? Capital, smaller, you don't know. Are you following me? Now I will go to this place. Here I am going to get it. Are you following me? Now, next I want to get it. If I go to that, next some letter is coming. If I go to that, some letter may be coming. Like that, if we go on coming, some number also will come. Okay now? Now, students, I want to get it. 2, 3, 4 choice values I want. 2 choice values I want. 3 choice values I want. What is there for that? Like that, there is a concept called what? Size also. Size also. Come on, immediately. Syntax always important, mom. Help. Come on, help. NP dot random of. I think random I already imported. What is this now, students? Choice. So here, read, ma. Come on. Choice of A size. Replace is equal to true. All these things, don't worry. P is equal to none. Never bother about it. Here, A is called what? 1D array. There is a group of values. Size represents what? Size represents what? Int or what? Couple. Int. Either you can say one value or more value. I'll show you one more example. Replace boolean. Whether the sample is with replacement. Default is true, meaning that value of A is selected with multiple items. I mean, whenever you are passing A from A, you are selecting. When you say A is equal to that is by default true, you are selecting. When you say false, that choice value replacing the A value. Not getting. There are 6 letters, 6 values are there in ND array. What is the boolean value here? Replace is called true. That means get the values. Don't try to replace. Don't try to replace. This is called a true means what? Don't try to replace that choice value. When you say false, it is going to replace the given values with your choice value. Better not to understand. మీకు చెప్పాలంటే సపరేట్ బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ తీసుకురావాలి. సో కమ్ టు ద పాయింట్ బ్యాక్. నౌ కమ్ టు come on, apply. Here I'm going to take it. This values you take it. This values you take it. I hope you got it, huh? Say students. Right. Coming to this place, here I'm going to write it. Already you have seen that ND array. Now I'm going to take up this data. You are going to take up. In this place, you are saying here, comma, size is equal to what? 3. What is the meaning of size is equal to 3? Three values I want to select it. Three values I want to select it. What is the type? End array. Single value selection is what? Int, float, bool, something like str like. But how many values I am getting choiced from here? More than one, which is nothing but definitely what? End array. End array. So, see students, am I getting more than one value or not? Run once again here. Run once again here. I'm getting these values. I'm getting or not? So it is called which one? End array, which is not a list. Which is not a list. Again, you put it here, which is not a list. Are you following me? Similarly, I want this mechanism, students. This mechanism I want, students. What is this now? Come on. Here we are going to write it. Comma. Come on. Size is equal to 4. 4 elements I want. 4. Come on. Here I'm going to get it. F2DU. Like a captcha code, something capital, something small, some digits, etc. Next I will go for what? 5. 5 letters తీసుకుంటాను. I will take it as a 5. 5 letters I will take it. 5 letters I am getting it. Are you following me? If you are very much interested, sir, it is coming in ND array, sir. So can you do anything else, sir? I am going to write it. Just as an example, I am writing something like CAPTCHA. CAP. So CAPTCHA. TCHA is equal to comma. If you are following me, I will write it like this. I'll write it like this. Of what I will write it. Join of A. Join of A. So see that what is coming? Join of A. What is happening here? Join of A. It is going to contain plus. I will write it plus like this. Expected str instance of this one. Okay. 1 minute. CV. CV is which type? ND array type. ND array type. That ND array type value converting into str of A. Str of A, which I'm joining with. Dot join of. Or I will write it here. List of that. And I'm saying join of that list of A. And I'm printing that. And I'll print this. So print this. So here it is giving you sequence. It is giving an okay. So why to bother about it? CP is equal to I never bother about it. I'll write my logic. C for V in where? In where? CV. What is this? CP is equal to CP plus what? V. Print off. What is this? Captcha is equal to what is this now? CP. Beautiful. Are you following me? So are you following me now? So here what is happening? I'm getting each letter, I'm concatenating with my space, and I'm finally getting it. Again you run it, you'll be getting this value. Again you try to run it, you'll be getting this value. Are you following me? So this is related to what? How you can, this is what called one small example. How do you generate a captcha code? Something like using random model. So how do you go for it? You will take all digits, you will take all small alphabets, uppercase alphabets. You will take if you want special symbols also, you can take it and you can generate like this. Are you following me? This is a simple for loop of our Python language, and I'm just concatenating and I'm printing the data. Is the choice is clear? Huh? Good. This is called what? 1D. What is the dimension? 1D. Now I want to go for what? 2D. 2D I want to go for it. Shall I go to the 2D? Online students, can you confirm? Is it clear? Is this logic is clear here? I am using one small for loop. I hope this is more clear. So this is more clear. So if you have good programming knowledge, you will do wonders. So if you want to use, sir, you use it join, sir. You show me that approach, sir. Still I am ready to go for it. So here I will write it like this. I will write it as what you know. CP dot append of CP dot append of what is this? V I will say capture code. Now I'm writing dot. Here I will write it dot join of what CP. Join of CP. So output also coming. ఏ విధంగా చూసినా అవుట్పుట్ రావాలి నాకు. హెయిర్ స్టైల్ is this side. You can comb very easily. Once you don't know coding, nothing will come. I'm taking one empty list and I'm appending the data I'm joining with. So here I'll go for like this. So here, beautiful. So here also like this. What? సౌండ్ లేదు ఇంకా ఏముంది అసలు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. సార్కి ఆన్సర్ వచ్చింది మనకు అర్థం కావాల, అది పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లం ఇప్పుడు. అండర్స్టూడ్ గర్ల్స్? చెప్పండి మా, ఆర్ యూ ఫాలోయింగ్? రైట్, సింపుల్. ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ కోర్ జావా లాజిక్ ఓన్లీ. జాయిన్ ఫంక్షన్ is already over, list is already over, append function is already over, and this is pending is over, and it is going to be something like I'm taking something like a empty string. It is going to be like this, right? Clear? Well, now I'm entering into the further another way. What is another way I want? Next, choice is clear? Next, I want to go for 3D. 3D, 2D, I want to go for it. Take the number. So here, take the number. Here I'm going to take it. Very simple. Say size is equal to what? 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2. I will take it as what? Something like 12. And I'll take 15. I'll take 30, 25. I'll take 35, 56, 78, 23, 89, 56. Like that. I want to go like this. What I'm getting? A 2 by 2 matrix is prepared randomly. A 2 by 2 matrix is prepared randomly. See that. Here I am going to write it. 2 by 2 prepared with randomly. Earlier one is completely different from here. Are you following me? Right. Now, I'm asking one question. Everybody need to answer. I want a 2 by 2 matrix with the random values between 100, 10 to 100 or 10 to 99. I want, all of you should participate in this question. I want random, I want a 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix. Random 2 by 2 random matrix. Random matrix. Random matrix with values with between the values 10 to what? 99. 99. Come on, how do you do? Quick. Come on. Range kaadu. When you go to range, what will happen? Equal interval value will come. Simple, students. A is equal to np dot or dot direct or dot. Come on. Rand int 10 comma 100. 10 comma 100. What is the next term? Comma. Size is equal to what? Size is equal to what? 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2. Right or not? 2 comma 2. Okay. Now I will take up to like this. I will take like this. What I am writing here, size is equal to like this I am taking. What is the size I am taking? Something like 20 elements I will take. 20. That is 10 to 100. How much is the size? 20 elements will come. Okay. From there, I want to get it. MAT is equal to R dot choice of what? A comma size is equal to 2 comma 2. From that random values of 20, I'll pick up 2 comma 2 matrix. Getting or not? How many random values will come here? 20. Between what? 10 to 100. From that 20 elements, I will get choice. With what? 2 comma 2. Print of what? 2 by 2 random matrix. 2 by 2 random matrix is equal to print of what? MAT. Beautiful. Beautiful. So I will go to next. I'll go to next. 2 by 2. Am I getting the same or different? Different. I want 3 comma 3 matrix. 3 comma 3 matrix. 3 comma 4 matrix. No problem. I will increase my size. 50 elements తీసుకుంటాను. 50. So, beautiful. I'm getting. Next I will get it. This is called what matrix? 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4. So I want like this. So I will take it. Some different elements will be coming once again. So on when you are sitting with an interviewer, compulsory these questions will come. So if you remember all the functions, you can just manage that guy. And interviewer will not remember total functions, but a student can remember when you are bookworm. And if you monthly once if you open, you will not remember what is your name also. That's why be perfect in taking all these things. Follow me? Right. Now I'm going to take it. Here I'm going to take it. Come on. Now I want to go for it. Now I'm asking. I want two matrices. Two matrices. I want two matrices with what? 2 comma 4 with a 2 by 4 matrix. With a 2 by 4 matrix. What is this? Between what? 10 to 99. Come on, start with 2 comma. Come on. 2 comma 4. What is this choice value? 3D. 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 What is this D? 2D. What is this D? 3D. 3D. So I will take it. Print of what? Dim. Dim is equal to what? Mat dot what? Ndim. Mat dot what? Ndim. Okay. See. How many matrices? Two matrices. What is the dim? Three. Beautiful. Python. NumPy. Which is good. Come on. కంపేర్ చేసుకోవాలి పైథాన్ ఎట్లా చెప్పారు సార్ నంపై ఎలా చెప్తారు ఇంకా పండాస్ ఎలా చెప్తారు డేటా సైన్స్ హౌ నీడ్ టు హ్యావ్ లైక్ దిస్ గ్రోత్ ఉండాలి ఎప్పుడు కూడా సో somebody ask you who are you need to say you have to have growth in the subject to subject you need to go to higher ends same song for all same tune for all songs will give you problem so tunes to be different again you run it already dim you know so run it it's going to be different or not something like that. I want two clusters, two clusters, two clusters. Come on, two clusters with two matrices with two comma. So I'll go for 2 comma 2 comma. So you are going to get it. This is the 0th cluster. This is the first cluster. Each cluster contain two matrices and two rows and then 4 columns like this. Clear or not clear? Right. Manoj, so what happened? So sorry, sir, I got it. Now I got it. So maybe you asked some question. Huh? Okay. Manoj, sir, in choice function during process values include any repeat or not because till now I did not saw the repeated value. Now you got it. Okay. Are you getting it? So once you go on listening, you will get automatically. So without seeing that you are understanding. Good. Manoj is good. So now are you following me? Actually, 4D will not be there. Only 3D only will be there in the present world. Even in coming days also only 3D will be there. Correct? Come. So choice function is clear? Huh? So what is the choice function will do? Choice function will do what? Choice function will select random values from ND array object. That may be one choice value, two choice value, n choice value. Able to understand? Right. Online students, I hope you are understanding. So all but Augustine. A is equal to a dot randint 10 comma 99 size is equal to 2 comma 2 comma 4. When we use this, why we need to use choice? I'm saying that from these values, I'm picking up some values. Randint will give you what? Some random values. From there, I want to apply one more choice. Randint is enough. I'm going to say from randint, I want to pick it up again. See, when you go to the cloth shop, shirt you want, shirt and pant you want to buy. That shirt and pant, who selected that? The shop owner. He went to the manufacturer, he selected that material, right? Put it into that. That is called what? Randint. You are going there. What are you applying? You are picking up your own dresses. Girls, you have your own dresses. Who brought it? The shop owner. That is randomly selected. What you will do, you will apply your own choice. Two dresses or three dresses or what you want, you will pick it up. Are you following me? Like that. Like that you are, I think. So, Augustine, Albert Augustine. I think you understood, I hope so. Random FRG, right? Choice can pick different data types. Yes. So all different data types instead of that, we can say in Python, all of them are which type? Same type. Which type that is? Object type. Object is a super type of all the types in Python. You know that? Yes. Simple. Are you following me? When I give one task for you, will you do it? Okay, good. You will do. Look at all of you. My requirement is my requirement is once my student went to the interview, he got this. What he got it? Generate RTA number plating system. Number plate number plating system. Number plating values. Number plating values. He is expected TS, TS or TG or whatever it is. 08 08 FL FL 1234 TS 08 XF something like 4578 something TS 09 something like AB 3400 TS TS 08 FL 3600 like that AP 39 AS and 8634 like that I want to go for what? Three different states. Three different states. KA like that KA TN something like this. So I will take it. States codes. States codes. TS. Next is called what? AP. Next is called MH. Next is called KA. Next is called Tamil Nadu. Like this I want to take it. What they are called? What they are called? States. What is the state? How do you create? State ND array. State array is equal to, come on, NP dot array of. What I will do, ma? I will take like this. I will take like this. Simple. I will take it as TS. I'll take it as AP. I will take it as MH. I'll take it as MH. I'll take it as KA. I'll take it as TN. These are all called what values? List of values converted into ND array or not? ND array or not? Yes. What is your choice? One at a time. One at a time. One at a time, right or not? What is the choice value? One at a time. What is the choice value, ma? Either TS I want or AP I want or MH I want or KA I want or I want TN. Okay now? Okay. Next I want to go for code. RTA code. RTA code RC is equal to something like NP dot come on, array of what I will do 08 08 that also I am taking in the form of 08. Normal 08 is called wrong answer. Beginning Python level 0xb 0x 0o 0b only 0o if you write it in error. Me గుర్తుండదులే. So come on, here I will take it. Here I will take it. A is equal to 0b1010 is called what? Binary. Print of A is called what? 10. 0x 0x AC 172 XOR. A is equal to 0b 0o 0 was 17 which is called 15 conversions for childhood days Python. A is equal to 08 error. When you write a 0, it should be either 0b or 0o or 0x. This is our childhood days data types level, int type data. It is called error. Generally, people will think that it is called what? Integer data. It is an error. So to take 08, 09, etc., I must take in the form of what? str. Now I will write it a comma type of a, which is like this. You want to take only 8? You want to take only 8? A of 1, which is called 8. Are you okay? Right. So 08, 09, 09 and 39, whatever it is, you take it, whatever the codes you have, and which are common codes for all of them. 007, whatever you like it. From there also I want what? One code only. One code, one TS state code. Next thing only, I want ABCDs. Two letters will come or not? FLO, XFO, AB like that. What I will do? Number that is called a letters let is equal to letters is equal to np dot array of what I will do, what I will do, a b c d e f g h so on up to where z, z. That too it is a list only. You better to write it list of confusion. Come on, ma, confusion. No, no confuse. This is going to convert what? Separate letters will come. Separate letters will come. What you will do? How many letters you want? Two letters I want. What is the choice value? Size is equal to 2. What is the choice is what? 1. PC choice is what? 1 only. Numbers. Numbers kavali. NUMs is equal to, what is this now? NP dot array of, what is that now? Of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Okay. From what is the choice? 4. If I join all these things will become what? A number plate. So I hope you will do. You are moving ahead, but you won't do it. So I will wait for it. I hope tomorrow if you do it, you do it. Otherwise, I will tell in the class. Okay, now try. So you try for it. So you can. This is comes under codes of the state, and this is called your code of that, and this is the letters, and this is the numbers. 4 numbers to be selected, 2 letters to be selected, 1 state code to be selected. This is 1 state to be selected. That is 1 number plate is prepared. I want 20 number plates. 1 for loop I will use it. For I in range of 1 comma 21. And I will write that entire code. How many number plates will come? 20 number plates will come. Are you following me? So are you following me? Now, coming to the point back. Now, పెద్ద మెసేజ్ వచ్చింది. So, a big message. So, Karishma, okay, ma. So, I will read out. I will read out. Because all offline students also, they are not listening. What is that message is coming? Because they are very much eagerly to read the messages. Outside కూడా చేసేది అదే మీరు. మీరు చేసే పని వాట్సాప్ మెసేజెస్ చదువుకోవడమే మన పని. కమాన్, కరిష్మా. Good morning, sir. I am one of your student from 11 a.m. Python batch. I recently attended an interview with Wipro, and most of the questions were focused in Whoops concepts, exception handling, coding problems related to functions, and SQL queries. Okay. Next, the way you explained these topics in the class and your excellent Python notes helped me to crack the interview. I am so happy to share that I received my offer letter yesterday. All credit goes to you and your teaching. I'm grateful to you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay, mom. So God bless you. So you need to get for your further 24 lakhs, 48 lakhs like that. You need to go on cracking the things. Okay, mom. Karishma, take care. All the best. Now coming to this. Will you do this? మీకు కూడా వస్తుంది మనం చదవాలి. You will also get it, but you need to read. So she studied, she cracked interview. Without you, who will crack the interview? Just to have this mind, because I said this. Read the notes. Everything you will get from that place only. Nothing going out of our note, because I'm covering everything in the class. That is what I'm trying to bring to you. Because if you see the notes, I gave my number also give to you. Why I give guarantee card? After buying the product, guarantee card in the stamp you will give like that. So anyhow, you try for this. If you are not able to do, tomorrow I will tell you. You try, you can do. Okay now? Fine. I'll stop the class and I'll go for it. Liaquat. So I'm regretting now for not joining in your batch for core and advanced Python. Liaquat, don't worry, my dear student. You can take permission from office. You can join in my class, no problem. And provided one time shifting is possible, not multiple time shifting. So, Liaquat, take care, mom. You can, if you are already joined, one time shifting is possible in my class. You can happily join in my class. No issue about it. Where are you going? Stand up. How many approaches to create an object of ND array? ఎందుకు నవ్వుతున్నారు మీరు మా 17? Okay, 17 is okay. 7 plus 1 is 8. My lucky number is 8 only. Tell me, what is that? Array of huh? A range of huh? H stack of what is the rule of V stack? Work is there outside. Friend is waiting. Hmm. Kept here something. What is this? Touch it. What is that? Ashana? Diamond? Python? NUMPY? Okay, good. It's nice looking. Okay, I also want to keep like that, but I'm a teacher now. So tell me, because I also want to have like this. There is a reason. There is a scientific reason. Then they keep like this, it prevents from heart attacks. Really, it's scientific meaning. Of course, you are going for fashion. I know that, but actual meaning is that is good. Health wise, it is good. And don't do everybody now only going to that and keeping something there. Good. The subject also should be good. Hmm. Next, V stack. What is the rule? What is the V stack rule? Columns must be compatible. చెప్పాలి కదా వాళ్ళు పరిగెత్తడం అన్నట్టు తీసుకొని కూర్చో ఓకే ఎనీ స్టూడెంట్స్ సో Dhirendra Jain, I request you, please add my below email ID. I'm not receiving daily class notes. Please contact the admin, my dear student. Please contact the admin. Once you contact the admin, admins will add you to the notes. So you contact. They have the privileges to add to the notes, my dear student. Dhirendra Jain, please take care. So Nagendra, I will I will add ma. I will add. I will give my notes. Maybe most probably tomorrow I will give my notes to you people to take care of it. So anyhow, time is up over. So Sudha, I said they asked about encoding and decoding concept in byte array. If you are already belongs to my networking batch, Sudha, you are in which batch, mom? You are in which batch? You are in 11 a.m. or already completed batch? If you are in 11 a.m., 11 a.m., I'm going to cover in the networking. In the networking, there is a topic. Now only I will show you. Everything I will cover it. So networking, if you take it, networks, if you open a big example, here there is a concept called a decoding, encoding will be there. Decoding, encoding, I will explain in the networking. Sudha. Okay, mom? So I will explain it in the class. I'll explain everything because I'm totally committed to the class. Well, I'm not a fresh faculty to do some jokes in the class and do something. So I committed to create some dimension in your mind. So read my notes thoroughly. Come to the class. Okay, now fine. So I'll stop my class and I will go for so Ramya Sri. I said this is Sri. Can you please provide Python notes? That's what I'm saying. Tomorrow I will